U.S. Naturalization. What does something mean? N-400 Interview, Part 12, Keywords. There are 50 questions in the N-400 form Part 12 where we have to answer either yes or no. The immigration officer may ask you the definitions of some of the words in the N-400 application form Part 12. These words are not commonly used. Do you know their definitions? Let's learn together. Have you ever? Have you ever? Have you ever means at any point in your lifetime. Claim. Claim. Claim means to say something is true. Claiming to be a U.S. citizen means to state you are a U.S. citizen. Register. Register. Register means sign up. Vote. Vote. Vote means choose a leader, or choose a candidate, or elect. Mental institution. Mental institution. It means a building for crazy people. Declared legally incompetent. Declared legally incompetent. A doctor says that, under the law, you are not able to make decisions for yourself due to your mental problems. Owe overdue taxes. Owe overdue taxes. It means not pay money to the government on time. File tax returns. File tax returns. It means sending tax paperwork to the government. Non-U.S. resident. Non-U.S. resident. It means a person who doesn't live in the U.S. Organization. Organization. It means a union or group. Terrorist organization. Terrorist organization. It means an organization that uses violence for political or religious purposes. Totalitarian party. Communist party. Totalitarian party. Communist party. A type of government party that owns and controls everything, so people don't have any freedom. Overthrow. Overthrow. It means get rid of the government using force. Persecute. Persecute. It means to hurt someone badly because of religious or political beliefs. Nazi. Nazi. It means the government under Hitler. Genocide. Genocide. It means killing a large group of people based on their race, religion, or nationality. Torture. Torture. It means harm, to cause great pain to someone. Kill. Kill. It means to cause someone to die. Hurting. Hurting. It means harm. On purpose. On purpose. It means intentionally. Military. Military. It means army or armed forces. Paramilitary. Paramilitary. It means a group that acts like a military but is not an official military. Self-defense. Self-defense. It means fighting to protect yourself. Vigilante. Vigilante. It means a group that acts like police but are not official police. Rebel. Rebel. It means people against the government. Guerrilla. Guerrilla. It means people who use weapons against the government. Insurgent. Insurgent. It means people using weapons against the government. Volunteer. Volunteer. It means be willing to help a cause. Bear arms. Bear arms. It means to own or use a gun. Cited. Cited. It means given a ticket by the police. Constitution. Constitution. It means the supreme law of the land. Form of government in the U.S. Form of government in the U.S. It means republic. Fraudulent. Fraudulent. It means to claim something that is not true. Habitual drunkard. Habitual drunkard. It means someone who drinks too much alcohol regularly. Illegal gambling. Illegal gambling. It means to play a game for money that is not allowed under the law. Immigration benefit. Immigration benefit. It means things like visa, green card, or citizenship. Lie. Lie. It means to say things that are not true. Pay alimony. Pay alimony. It means to pay money to an ex-spouse after a divorce. Public benefit. Public benefit. It means money from the government to help you, such as food stamps. Smuggle. Smuggle. It means to take things or people to or from a country illegally. Non-combatant services. Non-combatant services. It means services that do not engage in fighting during a war, such as nursing and translation. Oath of allegiance to the United States. Oath of allegiance to the United States. It means a promise to be loyal to the United States. Polygamy. Polygamy. It means being married to more than one person at the same time. Prostitute. Prostitute. It means sex for money. Procure. Procure. It means to find a prostitute for someone. Prison camp. Prison camp. It means a place that holds prisoners. Prison. Prison. It means a jail where criminals are being put. Being behind bars. Force. Force. It means make someone do something that he or she is unwilling to do. Detention facility. Detention facility. It means place where people are forced to stay. Labor camp. Labor camp. It means a place where people are forced to work. Weapon. Weapon. It means gun, knife, or other object used to fight. Training. Training. It means studying or practicing a skill. Recruit. Recruit. It means ask someone to join the army or another cause. Conscript. Conscript. It means be enlisted in an army. Combat. Combat. It means fight. Crime. Crime. It means breaking the law. Arrest. Arrest. It means going to jail. Illegal. Illegally. Illegal. Illegally. It means against the law or not following the law. Illegal drugs. Illegal drugs. It means drugs such as cocaine or heroin. Misrepresentation, misleading. Misrepresentation, misleading. They mean give wrong information. Deport. Deport. It means be kicked out from the U.S. Work of national importance. Work of national importance. It means tasks that are important to a nation during a crisis. Example, helping the Red Cross during an earthquake. Thank you and good luck. Please subscribe for more.